Here's my furnace with a flute, 4 inches wide. The furnace itself, from bottom to the top, 33 3/8. From the front to the back, 29 inches. From side to side, 17.5 inches. It does have a slight opening, almost like a bottom box. It's 2.5 inches in height, and it extends to 29 inches to the rear, same as the furnace. When it comes to the downflow, we measured 57 inches from the utmost height down to the top of the furnace. That was 57 inches. And the square itself, from side to side, is 19, and from the front to the rear, 20 inches. Aside from that, the return or the upflow, we got a 1x2020 filter, and from here down to the outside, we're looking at 11 3/8, and from the front to the rear, we're looking at 24 inches 1/4.